for lack of a better term. We have people who are left behind, people who contested, na wanaachwa. With the delegate system inakwanga, if you are vocal, you are being dim. If you get a chance one, the school inaangalianga, what do we do with this person? You are not be given a chance. These people cripples you. So Baba, kindly, let it not be a song. Babu Owino, I have faith in you. Let this not be a song. If you can push it by next year, kindly. Then about the youth advocacy, how are we supposed to be given platform? You mentioned, oh, youth, let us not sleep. You know, it's not a matter of saying, let us do not sleep. How are we to come out? We are angry. And Baba, I want to tell you, if you assume, you know, when Hanbin, I was in class 6, there was a story of Hanbin's pain. Is Hanbin's pain? And if right now you are going to say, if in Hanbin's pain is Hanbin's pain, most of the people are going to be a victim when the hunter comes to hunt for the Hanbin. Kindly let us take remedy and measures to cap this solution, and let us not give empty talks. As I conclude, everything comes to an expire and everything ends, whether you like it or not, sadly. But Baba, we appreciate you, and we really appreciate the things you've done. And we really appreciate for you to nurture some of the leaders to come and support us. And we as people of Baba, because the things you've done, I see Babu Owino in yourself. I see Babu in you. And because of age, sisi wote tunaelekea kule. Na maybe one time tutakuwa wazee wote. And that is why tunasema everything comes to expire. We have generations come and go. Baba, it is our humble plea. People from days are requested, and people nationwide, because we interact with people, as you look at people in your eye and the leaders you have, the Babu Owino, we see Babu in you. Please support Babu Owino. Thank you.